This quick tutorial explains how to buy shares of Herige SA. Herige is a French building materials and joinery company listed on Euronext under the ticker ALHRG.PA, and this video is educational, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy the stock, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing any orders. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker ALHRG.PA to locate Herige on Euronext. Make sure you select the listing that matches Herige SA so you pick the correct security. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for recent movements. Confirm the company name and ALHRG.PA ticker to ensure this is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set for the next session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, your Herige position will appear in your portfolio overview. For the example link and more information, check the description below.